In a fine well afternoon, where Asher heart itchy again.
Hello guys, so now actually we are putting this windshield into a test. So far I can feel the immediate effect is after fixing this windshield, the wind actually directly go through from here and through my helmet and it won't hit my chest directly. With that said, I can presume that even if it is rain, the rain also will follow the wind from here and straight go up to my helmet and won't hit to my chest directly too. And I see these features, if I use it in the highway, I think it will be quite usable because I'll feel more comfortable. Because of this wind will not hit me directly, I'll feel more comfortable and more relaxed while riding in the highway.
And that's all for today. If you like this video, do remember to subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in our next video. Bye bye.